Remember when I got Apostolos and I was like, oh my god, Apostolos, oh my
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my god!
And I got Symphony while out in High Point.
Yeah, I got Apostolos when I was AFK, bro. Like, you know how many pumpkins blood I popped?
How much?
I had like, I'm pretty sure I got VIP plus for it. I popped like 5. I popped all of them.
Oh nah.
And like 10 heavenly 2s. My pot luck is bad, but my 2%.
Hold on.
Are you supposed to hit?
No! No!
God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Globo, frutto drillo. Stop breathing into the mic, bro. I don't like your stinky breath.
I
Or
fucked
just
the door again.
ejaculating.